If you feel unhappy or stressed, well, congratulations! Life was meant to go wrong. It means that you are brave. On the contrary, the people who seems like they're happy almost all the time, it means that they aren't honest or they are suppressing something inside. So, if you feel like crumbling or dying, welcome to the real world. You are so damn right. Nothing is wrong. This is the beginning of your amazing life. We've been unconsciously brainwashed since childhood that life should be some certain ways. Success and happiness are measured by money, recognition, getting married, and having children. We believe in society checklist. We are afraid to be different or to just even think that we have choices. We live life based on other people's standard, and we are living in someone else's dream. That is why we feel unhappy, anxiety, and stress. Those feelings are our keys to unlock our highest and greatest self, so that we can be who we truly are, a divine being. If we can accept that life is going to be difficult, then the difficulties won't be considered as a difficult thing, because it is how life goes. Life or God is never punishing us. It will always find a way to balance ourselves through difficult people and situations. That is how life gets our attention. If life is always happy, there will be no lesson and growth. If life is always happy, then the happiness will be some normal thing, and it will not be any special. We are suffering because we are resisting the present moment. We don't allow it to happen. We wish something else, which is impossible. We can't control people or the world. The fastest we can allow the pain to take place, the fastest we can heal. We are in the flow. We know that life is meant to be wrong. By shifting the mindset, we already start the healing process. Everything we resist will persist. The people who hurt us is teaching something valuable. We need those lessons, otherwise it wouldn't be happening to us. Challenges are here to evolve us, to make us better. If it is too hard for you, you can seek help online. We are so lucky to be born in this period of time where everything is available online. I used to run away from the pain until I realized that I'm only making it worse, and it manifests as an illness in my body. It is really a precious lesson for me. So, life is meant to be difficult, but every difficult situation comes with a beautiful gift, which is the wisdom. Wisdom can only be earned through the darkness. You can't be a wise person by only reading books. You have to go experience it. The more we experience pain, we will be more mature and ready to face anything in life. Life will not seem to be a trouble anymore. Breathe and observe without judgment. Take some solitude moment, prioritizing our own emotion and feeling first. This is self-love. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to support me. Bye.